Salut tout le monde, c'est Inax, j'espère que vous allez bien. On se retrouve sur Gridfall pour continuer notre aventure. Après une négociation qui était en fait une embuscade, nous avions donc terminé cette quête et on va suivre donc cette fois-ci la quête principale, la bataille des lances rouges. Donc nous allons voyager depuis la pierre jusqu'ici, donc quasiment une vingtaine d'heures. Et on reprend notre voyage. Donc une nouvelle région. Donc je n'ai pas visité vraiment tout ce qu'il y a dans les régions précédentes, hein, vous vous en doutez. Car c'est plus grand que ce que je pensais. Donc ici, elle m'a l'air assez grande. Mais si on reste vers le bas, on y arrive quasiment tout de suite. Je vais faire le trajet avec vous. On va prendre quelques aubépines sur le chemin. Je commence à en avoir pas mal. Donc je sais pas si ça va vraiment nous servir. Allez, petit combat vite fait. Allez, ça c'est bouclé. Très bien. Lui il avait rien demandé, le pauvre. Et on continue. Un petit peu de champignons. Au cas où si on se fait une petite poêlée. Un petit feu de camp. Allez. Il y en a 4 dans cette région. À l'occasion, j'essaierai de tous les faire, bien sûr, hors ligne. On nous attaque pas, très bien. Ils ont de ces gueules. Donc, on va voir. On va voir ce qu'on va nous dire. Donc il y a un marchand. Petits échanges. Allez. On va quand même voir ce qu'il vend. Non mais me vend pas de la merde non plus, hein. Ah, il vend des trucs sympas quand même. Un jour il faudra que j'augmente un petit peu la force pour porter des trucs plus que sympas. Ça me fait pas un grand up malheureusement. Ah oui! Résiste aux éléments, résiste à la magie. Moi j'ai une chance de butin. Ah oui, c'est quand même... Il vend quand même des trucs assez sympas. On verra par la suite. On verra par la suite. Est-ce qu'il n'y aurait pas un hôtel de compétences? On va faire juste un petit tour au cas où. Car des fois dans les villages, il y a des hôtels de compétences. Si on peut gratter un petit point de compétence supplémentaire, je ne dirais pas non. On va voir de ce côté. Donc nous on est rentré par là. On va voir vite fait de ce côté. Ah non, c'est une deuxième entrée. D'accord, très bien. si on allait par là? Il commence à faire nuit. Ah, il y a bien quelque chose ici quand même. En général, dans les petits chemins comme ça, il y a toujours quelque chose. En plus, c'est une route pavée. Non, que des conneries. D'accord. Bah écoutez, on va continuer cette quête. Au début, je pensais qu'il était un petit peu trop couloir. Mais au final, il est quand même assez grand, malgré tout ça.
Who do you think you are? By what right do you enter the home of our queen?
I am the emissary of the Congregation of Merchants. I have come to meet your leader.
Come now, Arwand, you are not a watchdog. Where is my mother?
Siora, I didn't see you. You have come too late. Your mother has gone to wage a war.
Il a une gueule en forme de puzzle. C'est un truc de fou.
Only a few hours ago.
Oh no. We need to catch up with them and avoid the shedding of blood. Please, haste.
Very well then. Let's be off.
D'accord, donc on va choisir Kurt. On dégage Vasco. Et on prend Kurt. Toujours Kurt. C'est notre tank. Donc on va le garder. C'est un gros bourrin. Exactement ce qu'il me faut pour certaines missions. Il est quand même très résistant.
In order to go towards the Degid Nadagis, we must follow the path leading toward the heights and to the forest.
Sur les cartes locales, vous trouverez des lieux et personnages importants, ainsi que les objectifs de quête. Sans blague. Ils nous le disent que maintenant. Très bien. Très très bien. Donc on doit aller ici. On va prendre le chemin ici, on va monter. D'accord, très bien. On se retrouve là-bas, et je vous dis à tout de suite. D'accord.
Wait. We should go left here. It's a more difficult path, but it's much shorter.
Look at the tracks. They chose to take the path on the right, it would seem.
Before a battle, it makes sense that they wanted to avoid a path with more danger.
If it is dangerous, let's not risk braving it when time is against us.
We risk meeting a great many beasts. But if we follow the warriors, we risk catching up with them too late to sway them.
Bah écoute, y a aucun problème. On va défoncer du mob. Elle nous a dit à gauche. De nombreux mobs.
Thanks for listening to me. I
Ah,
fear
pas de
my
problème,
mother
t'inquiète
may
pas.
have already thrown herself into the battle.
Dis pas merci avant que je t'ai envoyé la facture. De nombreux mobs, ouais. Oh la vache. Il est sympa ce petit sort. Très sympa. Intuition niveau 2. Il y a des petites crevasses pour rejoindre des endroits parfois inaccessibles. Donc j'espère qu'on pourra monter vraiment tous les niveaux pour pouvoir passer de partout. Au moins niveau 2, ça serait sympa. Donc nous allons prendre notre exploration. On va passer par là. D'accord, on est pas trop loin. Ça va. décidément. Avec tout ce qu'on attrape comme matos, il va bien falloir que je vois à un moment donné ce qu'on peut crafter. Donc on doit être juste à côté. J'espère qu'on arrivera à temps. C'est parti, c'est la guerre. C'est la guerre, j'en étais sûr, c'est la guerre.
No, no, the battle rages on. My sister is surrounded. Come.
Et voilà. Oh la sauvage. Qu'est-ce qu'elle nous fait là?
Iselt! You are too late, Siora. Mother has fallen and we are defeated. No, no, no. This is not fair.
I am so sorry.
Who is this woman? She resembles one of us but is dressed like a Renaigze.
I'm the ambassador of the Congregation of Merchants. I am sorry for your loss.
The congregation? And what side are you on in this war? Those that massacre our people? Essel, calm down. You know that Mother sent me to seek out allies. You show up when the fight was nearly over. Was this part of your plan? You know that these monsters are taking our own. They must make honorable amends.
Et pourtant je suis allé à gauche hein. C'est de sa faute. Je vous assure que c'est de sa faute. Le charisme. Alors vous pariez sur quoi hein les amis? Ah, je sens que je vais encore louper. 75% de chance de réussite, j'ai l'impression que c'est le contraire finalement.
We did our best to come as fast as we could, and I fought by your side. Please, please take the time to at least hear me out. There has already been enough death. And you are wounded. This is not the time for vengeance.
You have a gift.
Ah, j'en
of words,
étais sûr,
and
putain de
you
merde.
resemble us. But you are
Oh, mais c'est
tainted
pas
like
vrai.
all the others. You are trying to turn me away from my duty to protect your allies. Stand aside.
No, you won't.
You want to arrest me? You will be the first to pay for these debts!
Come, Renaigze. You will pay for what your brother.
Ouais mais bon.
That's enough. Have you calmed down yet?
You defeated me, but that changes nothing. These monsters massacred my mother and my people. I will not allow this crime to go unpunished. Iselt, rather than fighting amongst ourselves, we should be tending to the wounded. You speak truly. I am too weak to fight or to help you. I shall return to the village. Kwawalansek, little sister. We must also find my mother. Her body, if she has passed on to death.
Look at all this horror. How do you hope?
Look for her banner. She carries the mark of our clan.
Soigner tous les survivants. Ah ouais quand même. Donc on a un temps donné pour soigner tous les survivants. On n'entend pas gémir pourtant. Est-ce qu'il y a vraiment des survivants?
These ruins are very strange. By what name did you call this place again?
Dadida Keaton Nada Gaze. There was once a battle in the past. A great victory for our plans.
Ils sont sérieux là?
These walls are completely foreign to the styles of your own dwellings. Does this name that you gave the ruins mean anything
Il y a
in
des morts de
particular?
partout là.
Yes, it means ruins of the first Guardian.
I would like to dig around a little on the site. We might be able to unearth clues as to who actually built them.
Over there, I think that man is still
D'accord.
breathing. Let's make sure. You now have enough strength to return to the village. Find Armand. He will take care of him.
D'accord, ils mettent des signes dessus. Je n'avais pas vu du tout.
You now have enough strength to return to the village. Find Armand. He will take care of him.
On va aller un petit peu plus en avant.
Over there,
Là.
I think that man is still breathing. Let's make sure. You now have enough strength to return to the village. Find Armand. He
4
will take care of
minutes.
him.
Je suppose qu'ils doivent être au-dessus. Ici, non? Non mais on n'a pas le temps, on doit soigner les gens là. Et là elle se relève. Non?
I beg of you, help me.
Still you dare to breathe. How can you hope that I am here to save you?
C'est quoi le pouvoir qu'ils ont?
What have you done with my mother?
Pity, I beg of you. I don't want to die.
Then answer!
Siora! Stop! Look at yourself. You're acting like a beast.
Heureusement qu'on doit pas jouer notre sur notre charisme hein, là.
A beast has far more majesty than these monsters who have traded their souls.
Ouais, je dirais pas le
They've
contraire.
taken her. The Queen. They took her.
Then she must still be alive. They wouldn't have bothered to carry away a corpse.
She would have chosen death before capture. They must have wanted her alive. We must find her.
On peut encore
If
soigner
your
les gens?
mother is in the hands
On
of
peut
the
encore
Brage,
soigner les gens.
they'd have taken her to their closest camp.
Promise me that we will do everything we can to bring her back.
Je sais pas s'il y en a vraiment ici au final. On va devoir retourner en bas. Hein.
Over there, I think that man is still
Hop
breathing.
là, 4 sur
Let's make
5.
sure. You can walk now. Return to the village. We must
On
make
utilise
sure
des
that there
potions
are no
soins,
more
mais
survivors.
j'en ai quand même pas mal.
Another warrior who survived. I do not
Voilà.
think that we will find any more of them now. We healed them all, thanks to you. May the grass always be soft beneath your feet.
Bon bah on n'est pas trop mal là. On n'est pas trop mal. Niveau potion, j'en ai combien? 23. ça va. On n'en utilise pas vraiment beaucoup. Hein. Donc on nous demande d'aller de ce côté. Faire ça tout de suite. Hein. Il y a quelque chose là-bas. Un coffre. On se tape toujours des vieilles bottes et des tenues de merde. Alors je veux bien que ça soit le début, hein. Bon, il pourrait au moins nous encourager. Comme ça. Bon, on est presque niveau 14. On va essayer de combattre un petit peu. Voilà. Tranquillement. Tranquillement. Est-ce qu'on a débloqué quelque chose? D'accord. Les autres c'est niveau 16 et 17. On a débloqué au moins ça. On va débloquer donc le dernier trait de l'explosion de l'ombre. L'explosion de l'ombre, on est bon. On va débloquer ça. Et ça donc c'est la stase. Bouclier du lumineux augmente l'armure physique et la régénération progressive pendant la durée de l'effet. D'accord. Ça pourrait être intéressant ça aussi. Ça pourrait être intéressant. Car on a l'impression que c'est du passif. Durée de l'effet 23 secondes. Ah je sais pas. Je sais pas, on verra. On verra. Ceux-là on va les laisser. On va avancer dans la quête. Donc il y a un point d'interrogation ici, c'est un feu de camp. C'est parfait. Et la direction c'est bien de ce côté. Prévoir, voilà, un petit coffre. Toujours sympa de prendre. Niveau poids, on est bien. Maintenant qu'on est à 400 de poids, on est plus que bien. Ah, il y a un coffre en bas. J'espère toujours trouver un petit loot très sympathique, surtout une bague. J'aimerais bien looter une bague un petit peu mieux que la mienne. Malgré que je fais très mal, j'aimerais me faciliter un petit peu plus la vie. Donc il faut monter sur la gauche.
Look, there are some images on these walls.
Let's get closer.
Ah. Je suis allé un petit peu trop vite. Les images sur les murs. Où est-ce qu'ils ont vu ça? Donc c'est bien ici. De l'autre côté peut-être? Alors est-ce qu'il faudrait pas faire le tour? J'ai l'impression qu'il faut faire le tour. Non? Ah! C'est ici. Très bien.
This is the first time I've seen these drawings so closely.
You have never come here. You certainly seem to know the place.
This site is sacred and taboo. Everyone knows where it is, but no one ever comes here. All these colors are so beautiful. I never would have imagined that they could create something so delicate.
Who are you talking about?
Of those who built these lodgings, that my ancestors vanquished in a past war.
You know who they were?
I only know the legend of Dida Kid and the Daiges.
I'm listening.
It is said our people lived peacefully until the men appeared from the sea, intent on making our lands their own. They dug great caverns into the earth, ripped down our forests, destroying everything in their wake. They were evil. The warriors killed so many people that even their own people came to fear them. Here they built a terrible city that spewed out clouds of cinder and dirt. Our kings and queens were desperate. They went to the heart of our island, and the island heard them. From the woods appeared the first guardian. He was taller than a city, and with each step it smashed a lodging. It was a guardian of Rat, and the city could not resist him. Since then, the earth answers our call for magic, and in exchange, we become Almanawi, in keeping with the pacts our kings and queens once made.
It is a very sad and terrible legend. I wonder who these people from the sea could have been. A people from the continent, no doubt. Our Malachor might well be the cursed result of that war from another age. We have nothing more nor anyone else to find here. I must report all we've learned to Constantine.
D'accord. C'est intéressant ça. C'est très intéressant. On doit aller parler à Constantin. On va directement aller au feu de camp. Non, je veux voyager. Il y a des caisses bien qui repopent au bout d'un certain temps. Là-bas, il faut crochetage niveau 3. Très bien. Donc allons voir le cousin. Si c'est pas endormi sur le trône.
Cousin! You have returned to me. Your absence was sorely felt.
You don't appear to be in top form. Are house intrigues keeping you from finding proper sleep?
No, nothing to bring me nightmares as of yet. I'm blaming it on the change of diet. Now, tell me what adventures you've been up to. If you only knew how bored I grow behind these walls.
Ah bah oui, mais t'as choisi, mon pauvre. Ses parents. Pourquoi ses parents? On va commencer par là.
Any news of your parents?
No. With the time it takes to travel to the continent, it's not surprising. But I don't miss them. My father's next letter will certainly be full of his usual disdain. As for my mother, you know her. She's probably too busy planning her next assassination to have noticed my absence.
D'accord. Sympa la famille. Racontez l'issue de la bataille.
We were not able, alas, to stop the clash between the forces of the Alliance and Siora's clan. We arrived at the village and battlefield too late. The Queen fell.
I'm extremely sorry for your loss, Princess.
Thank you. My sister survived, fortunately, and we are recovering from this tragedy together. But our clan was extremely weakened by this battle and by recent events.
We shall keep a close eye on the Bridge Alliance and their undertakings. Rest assured.
You should know that the battle took place in the middle of ancient ruins. The ruins were quite strange. We discovered a fresco that I am certain was crafted by continental hands.
Really? And how ancient are these ruins? Could they date back to the first landings of the Bridge Alliance?
They date much farther back than their arrival would explain. My mother and my grandmother have always known them.
Siora told me of a legend that spoke of them. About a people from the sea that were vanquished there.
Do you think it was the Nords?
It is not our custom to found a landlocked settlement. We have our islands, and it is enough for us.
If they are ancient, perhaps your people once practiced older customs. This story is troubling, but it reminds me of something that I once read in the reports of Lady Morange. You should go and find her. Perhaps she could tell us more about them.
Very well.
Anything else?
Ben non.
I'm going to
Rien
leave
du
now.
tout.
Goodbye, Constantine.
Look out for yourself.
Allez. Que de marche, les amis, que de marche. On va voir où est-ce qu'elle est. Elle m'a l'air pas trop loin. Oh, elle est juste à côté. On va pouvoir y aller tranquillement. Et quelques petites caisses quand on passe devant. Elle est juste là. Bonjour très cher. Je vais visiter votre chambre histoire de voir si vous avez des trucs intéressants. Mais elle a que dalle. Je vais lui en toucher deux mots. T'aurais pu mettre des loots, hein. Ah, mais c'est la prédécessrice de... Je sais pas si ça se dit ça. Le prédécesseur de notre cousin.
Good day, Lady Morange. Do you remember me?
Of course, Lady de Sardet, isn't it? I hope that you and your cousin have grown to like it here. But I have little reason to believe you have paid me a visit to exchange civilities. Can I be of service?
Poser des questions générales. D'abord, on va voir ce qu'elle sait sur les ruines du champ de bataille.
What do you know about the ruins found to the northwest of here?
The site that the natives call Didakidnadagase.
That is not how we pronounce it, but yes, we are speaking of the same place.
Your language is difficult to master, but I find it fascinating. To answer your question, I had countless questions about the place when our explorers and scouts first brought back sketches. Intrigued, I went there. I noted the architecture and their decorations. It is certain that they bear a striking resemblance with continental constructions, but they are more ancient. Too old to have been recently built by the Bridge Alliance settlers when they first set foot on the island. I even questioned the natives, but they only spoke of a people of the sea. My first thoughts went to the Nords, but they're not known for building large towns, less so cities. There are other ruins on a cliff to the east of here. Perhaps they hide the key to this mystery. I hoped to organize an expedition, but the region is dangerous and hard of access. We explored mines at the bottom of the cliff, but we were not able to find an access to the plateau. If the mystery of these ruins intrigues you as much as me, it is in that direction that you should begin to look for answers. Can I help you with any other matter?
D'accord. Donc on va lui poser quelques questions. D'abord sur la Nouvelle Sérène.
What can you tell me about New Serene?
It's a new city whose construction began not long ago. When I arrived 5 years ago, there was just a port, a fence, and some huts here. The businesses, the barracks of the guard, the palace, and all of the houses sort of sprung up from the ground. To see how impressive it is today, even if it is still far from its majestic mother, is incredible. Of course, with such expanse, all kinds of bandits, drunkards, and other lowlife have arrived. But I'm very proud of it, in spite of everything. I hope that your cousin continues this work.
D'accord. Et l'île, elle sait quoi dessus?
What do you know about this island?
Much less than I would like. The land is still wild and extremely rich. Its soils are full of minerals, some of which are unknown to us. With regard to the flora and fauna, you've probably seen how different the creatures and plants are here. The islanders protect their land fiercely, and we cannot begrudge them that. When you see what we have done with our own, well, such a source of richness attracts greed.
Les insulaires?
You seem interested in the islanders.
As a matter of fact, I find their culture fascinating, but I can't say I know much about them. They are quite secretive and protect their cult and traditions from the curiosity of strangers. I know that their sages, they call them Donegada, are the guardians of their rituals as well as of the island. They have very strong links with nature and the creatures that inhabit it. They're also good healers. I could talk about them for hours, but you will learn more from the islanders themselves.
Les rapports avec les autres nations.
What can you tell me about the relations we have with other nations?
We play a difficult role, caught between these two enemy nations who are nonetheless our allies. The smallest action could tip the balance and draw us into their conflict. If I may offer some advice, be very careful. We do not want a war to break out here.
Tu m'étonnes.
My lady, I have to go. Goodbye.
Très bien. Donc, elle nous a parlé d'un endroit qu'il fallait visiter à l'est. D'accord. Très bien, très bien. D'accord, on va parler à Siora. Parler à Siora.
Honor Manawi, my mother is still held in this outpost near Vigigador. I must do everything I can to free her from the lion's claws. So will you accompany me?
Mais bien sûr.
We will do everything we can to free her. Do not worry. Let's go.
Bien sûr qu'on va l'aider. On va voir si on peut terminer cette petite quête dans cet épisode. Voyager. Directement au plus proche. Au niveau du poids, oui bon ça va. Ça peut attendre encore un peu. Donc on est revenu ici. Et la Madre, elle est donc ici. Je sais pas si on peut passer par là. On va quand même essayer. On est enfin arrivé au camp.
Halt! Who goes there?
Desardet, I am the legate of the merchant congregation.
Oh, well, you can come in, Your Excellency. But this savage, on the other hand...
Am I the one you call a savage, Renaigse?
This young lady is the princess of her people, and she is with me. As such, I would appreciate if you let us through.
Very well, Your Excellency. Please go and find the captain. I'd feel better knowing that he gave you his endorsement.
Eh oui mon gars, c'est une princesse. Tiens donc. Un petit contrat. Élimination de nuisibles. Cargaison volée. On a trouvé 2 petits contrats sur les panneaux. Faudra bien vérifier les panneaux dorénavant. Donc on sait que c'est posé dessus. Donc là, bien évidemment, il faut l'intuition 3. Ça sera pas pour tout de suite. Je visite un tout petit peu pour savoir un petit peu l'endroit. Comment on va pouvoir s'échapper surtout. On va voir l'officier. D'abord aller voir ce qu'il y a au-dessus. Non, il n'y a rien. D'accord. Bonjour, monsieur le capitaine de l'avant-poste.
Well, who are you?
De Sardet, legate of the Merchant Congregation.
Alors déjà, tu baisses les yeux. Putain, il est complètement shooté, le pauvre gars. On va d'abord demander où est la mère de Siora.
Allow me to introduce Siora, the daughter of Queen Bladnid, whom you faced on the battlefield. We understand that you brought her mother here, and I would like to negotiate her liberation.
A liberation? That'll prove difficult. She's dead.
No! You let her die! You may even have finished her off like an agonizing animal!
We didn't need to. When we collected her up from the battlefield, she was severely wounded. She died on the way to the camp.
I want to see her body on Almanawi. Please. I must see her.
Can we see her, Captain?
If you're the one who's asking, Your Excellency, it should be possible. You're in luck. We were thinking about getting rid of it, but we received the order to keep her body. It's still at the infirmary. Ask the doctor. He'll show it to you.
Thank you, Captain. Siora, I'm terribly sorry.
Let's go see her now.
Je sens que ça va partir en live.
I'm sorry, pretty flower.
Oh mon dieu, que de lumière.
The infirmary must be the building on the right, near the camp entrance. Let's go.
Who are you? Are you looking for a doctor?
I'm the legate of the congregation, and this is Siora, the daughter of the queen whose remains you are keeping.
I would like to see her. I need to see her. Please.
My condolences, madam. The body of your mother is back there, in the room on the left.
Ça va, ils l'ont pas charcuté. J'avais peur de ça, moi.
I should give you some privacy while you are mourning. We won't be far.
And the varstir tu, Matir. Men sida denon mil frichteman.
Mettez des sous-titres. On comprend rien là.
I must take her with me on Almanawi. We must perform the rituals.
The captain said that he was instructed to keep her body. It will not be easy to convince him to disobey.
I do not care about the captain's orders. She is my mother. She must be given back to the earth.
So, let's go back to see the captain and try to make him change his mind.
You can try, but with all due respect, I doubt that you will succeed. He will not want to draw attention to himself by disobeying this order.
What do you mean?
I believe he is a traitor, and that he made a deal with Thélème.
Those are some serious accusations, even for a member of the Guard. Why would you believe such a thing?
I overheard a conversation that got me thinking, and I also saw certain documents.
We could use them to pressure him. Did you take them?
No, That would be too risky. I do not want to get into trouble. But I suppose they would still be amongst his other belongings.
Will they let us rummage through this place without protesting?
Most of the guards returned to Hikmet after the battle was over. If you are discreet, you should be able to enter the officer's building.
Thank you for your help, Doctor.
Shouldn't you ask the captain first? Maybe he'll change his mind.
You're right. Let's try talking to him before rummaging through the camp.
D'accord. Je pense que c'est ici. Est-ce qu'il n'y aurait pas une autre entrée? Je ne pense pas. Et si. On fera une petite sauvegarde rapide. Hop là.
The doctor was right.
Le père Octavius.
They are trafficking weapons illegally with San Mateus. If word reaches Hikmet, these men will face a firing squad. But none of these documents are signed. The captain managed to cover... his tracks. Here's a document that could be useful. They're meeting with the buyers.
Then we should go there. He won't be able to deny it if we catch him red-handed.
There is a risk that he will react violently. But we have no other choice.
Let's go then. I know this place. It is further down the road, near a large tree.
On nous demande d'aller là-bas. Est-ce que c'est loin? Oh, c'est pas trop loin, ça va. Je vais me rendre là-bas. On se rejoint là-bas tout de suite. Donc c'est de ce côté. Qu'est-ce qu'on doit trouver? L'arbre dont il parlait.
Here we are. This is the tree that was mentioned. Let's hide while we wait for them to arrive.
D'accord. On va se cacher alors. Interrompre l'échange.
Well, Captain, you have some peculiar friends for a man who obeys the Alliance.
You? What are you doing here?
We stumbled upon some strange documents and wanted to see for ourselves if there was any truth to them.
Sorry, my friends. If you want our shipment, then we need to get rid of this nosy legate.
Captain, you are making a grave mistake. All we want is to negotiate.
I want the body of my mother.
Enough! I surrender! I would never have thought that you would dare to attack allies of the congregation.
It seems to me that you were the one who attacked. How did you put it? This nosy legate? Had you simply listened to us, Captain, this fight would not have taken place. All we wanted was for you to respectfully deliver the body of the Queen to her village.
And will you stay silent about what you saw?
We are neutral. Trading amongst yourselves does not concern us.
In that case, very well. I'll return to the outpost and ensure it's done.
Now I would like for us to return to my village. I am eager to reunite with my sister.
In that case, let's return to Verdrais.
Non, on va d'abord rester ici, on a des loots. On ne sait jamais. Ah, on a bien fait de rester. Ça aurait été dommage de louper ça. Ouh. On commence à avoir du petit loot sympa là. On visitera après. Donc du coup, on pourrait passer par là. Je me demande si on a les compétences au moins pour y aller. Petit renard. Je ne vais pas te tuer. Un petit coffre pour la forme. aurait été sympa de trouver un feu de camp en fait. Et puis voilà. Ça on peut aller au feu de camp un petit peu plus vite. On va aller au village de Siora.
Isildt. Our mother. I know Siora. And divorced here say. Some men delivered her remains here. They said that it was thanks to you. And the Renagse legate, thank you. We will be able to pay homage to our mother. Why are there mind shakers here, Isildt? I meant to tell you about it. They came saying that our mother had made an agreement with Teleme. But Mater did not tell me about it. She didn't say anything to me either. I do not like this, Isildt. These people want to drive us away from the land. I know. But we need help after the defeat. And they say that she made a promise set in stone. The spirits of the people of our village would have to go to the light, and in exchange they'd help us against the lions. This is impossible. Mater would never have done such a thing. They are lying, I'm certain of it. They may be. But if there really is a promise set in stone, we cannot break it. And we will have to bury our mother according to their rituals. We must verify it. I will not stand there while these mind shakers take our village.
Donc on est devenu aimable avec Siora. Donc la quête ne s'arrête pas là. Mais même si la quête ne s'arrête pas là, nous si, en tout cas pour cet épisode. Écoutez, je pense qu'on n'est pas trop mal, on a bien avancé. Au niveau de la carte, on a fait à peine ça. Et encore, on n'a pas tout visité. Il y a des lieux quoi, on va pouvoir... J'ai hâte d'aller dans le cœur un petit peu. Pour voir si les mobs sont vraiment beaucoup plus féroces. Je l'espère. Si vous avez aimé cette vidéo, likez-la, ça me fera plaisir. Si vous voulez continuer à me suivre dans cette aventure, je vous invite à vous abonner. Sur ce, je vous dis à la prochaine.